Now, a question we frequently get is, what is the contents of this pot on the front of one of the tanks? Well, I thought this morning we'd explain. So you'll also notice that I'm holding a box of dry sand. That is because as we're entering the winter seasons, the railhead conditions become somewhat poor, and you have the leaf fall and the rain that can sometimes give you a sort of layer of slime, which obviously causes the wheels to slip, which doesn't obviously get you anywhere fast. So we fill the pot at the front of the locomotive with dry sand. We just fill it up for the day every morning. Make sure there is sufficient. Done, just like that. And now this sand in here is ready to go down a pipe via a valve that's operated by the driver and goes straight in front of one of the driving wheels. So when you're going up the line and you feel that the railhead is slightly less than perfect and the wheels start to spin, slight application of sand, and that will take the slippiness out and regain your adhesion to pull the train up to the leisure park. Because for many of you who don't know, our railway is on a steep gradient. So where we are at the moment, Benny Holt is at the bottom of the hill, and it's pretty much uphill all the way to the leisure park. So we never get problems coming back down, but it's always taking you up. So particularly with the full trains, always good to have a full pot of sand.